The reality of a lesser transmission rate of COVID-19 locally is continuing to manifest with a decline in the number of reported cases. In the past 7 days, the Ministry of Public Health has recorded 1 positive case and 14 recoveries. However, health officials are seriously warning against the continuance of lax behavior. Doctor of Primary Health Care Dr. Temika Hamilton, during Monday's COVID-19 update, made renewed calls for Guyanese to remain alert as the country is still at risk.
This does not mean, however, that we can return to business as usual. In fact, I encourage you to be extremely vigilant as our vulnerability for imported cases is heightened given the current situation in the countries around us.
Dr. Hamilton reminded of the harsh reality faced by 3 countries closest to Ghana with regards to COVID-19.
In the last 24 hours, Brazil recorded 30,830 new cases and 1,127 deaths. Suriname now has 90 positive cases with 8 new cases in the last 24 hours. And in neighboring Venezuela, there are 58.
The Ministry of Public Health has reported no new cases after testing a total of 8 persons. There are 58 active cases in institutional isolation, 2 patients in the COVID-19 intensive care unit, and 14 persons in institutional quarantine. The deaths remain at 12. To date, the number of persons tested for the disease is 1,816. Meanwhile, last week, the Pan American Health Organization World Health Organization country representative, Dr. William Aduko, opined that unless there is a further decline in the number of persons someone tested positive for the virus can infect, the restrictions in place to contain the spread of the disease should not be relaxed. The current transmission rate of the disease is 1.4%.
If the reproductive number continues to fall, then we can say that yes, the measures are working. We should begin after the next 2 weeks measures time to begin to recommend our government to take a look at possibly stepping down on some of the measures. So I will not be worried. I would want us to continue to monitor the effective reproductive number. That is
Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.